Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Fetch AI price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Fetch AI chart, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement areas, which lies between the $0.3314 mark and the $0.273 mark, in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.2931 mark. And having managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2, there are high chances that we have bottomed out in the formation of that wave 2, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, and all that is playing out after we topped in the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 1 after seeing a 5 wave structure to the upper side, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.6102 mark, and also completing the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 1 to the upper side. And before I get further into the technical analysis, give you the short-term scenarios, and also sketch out my target areas to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to first sketch out a target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that gives me a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $1.1927 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting this wave 3 to the upper side to do. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5 wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side. And this Elliott wave structure within the formation of this wave 3 is what is going to give me the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out here on the Fetch AI chart, and I believe that is better seen here on the 1-hour chart. So jumping to the 1-hour chart for further analysis and also give you the short-term scenarios. Here on the 1-hour chart, you can see that after seeing our low in the formation of this wave 2 at around the $0.2958 mark, we started this massive run up to the upper side obeying the Elliott wave structures, where we have seen the high for that wave 1, and I believe that whatever we are seeing at the moment is a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is a target area that we fully maximized down here. And there are chances that in case the breakdown continues over here and we get back and we lose the fib level 0.5 once more, there are chances of getting back into this blue target area once more, and in case such a move plays out, then I'll have to extend my target area back to the fib level 0.78, which lies at around the $0.337 mark, so that we can have this whole structure that we have right here as an ABC corrective structure, having this as the wave A, then a wave B, and then there are chances that we might see one more leg down in the formation of that wave C within this blue target area to fully maximize it before we can continue gearing up in the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side. So that is what I'm expecting here on the Fetch AI chart, and those are my breakdown targets, which lies between the $0.389 mark and the $0.3361 mark, within which I'm expecting now to see the low for that second wave before we can continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators, on the RSI we are trading at around the 38 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support lower prices in the formation of this wave 2. Also taking a look at the MACD, here on the MACD we have been able to print a bearish cross, fully supporting lower prices in the formation of that wave 2 to give us one more leg down in the formation of that wave C. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios, and I'll be keeping you updated.